How will you write? Now listen. First, you will go to theory, click theory. Here you will find the objective. This is your aim. Okay. So first you will write aim. Before aim, heading will be math, math lab, activity, number one. Okay, math lab activity number one. If you have topic, you can write topic area of research. Otherwise, no need. Math lab activity number one. Aim. Aim will be to give the suggestive demonstration of the formula. This will be your objective. After aim, you will write materials required. Okay, materials required. Where will you find materials required? Go to procedure. Here you will find the materials required. Colored papers. These are the materials required. This colored paper, compass, scale, pair of scissors, gum, colors. Correct. These materials required will be written here. Okay. Then third you will write. No, aim. After aim you will write prerequisite. Okay. After material you can write. Now you can write pre means previous knowledge required. Prerequisite means previous knowledge required. Prerequisite. Prerequisite, where will you find prerequisite? Go to simulation. There you will find prerequisite knowledge. Prerequisite knowledge. In prerequisite knowledge, you will write first point, formula of for circumference of a circle and formula for area of rectangle. These 2 points you have to write in prerequisite. Then third heading will be your procedure. What you will write procedure in every activity. In every activity, I am telling you in the first activity, then rest of the activities you will follow these steps. Activity number, aim, date. Do not forget to write the date. You are always sending your notebooks without date. Whenever you are writing, you must write your date. Okay. Procedure. Where will you find the procedure? You have to go back to procedure. Now here we have two procedures. One procedure when we are doing the real practical. Second procedure is the simulator, what we are clicking and then we are aligning and then we are blue color drop over green color and parallelogram like that. So I think no need of that simulator procedure. Okay. you will write this procedure. This procedure, this procedure. From procedure you will find, and from here you can see, draw a circle of radius. Of this radius should be different for it. Whatever you are taking simulation, in simulator you will see that what is your radius. Do not write this as it is. Just see if you get radius 2.59, 2 point whatever you are getting, 2.59 centimeter, you will write here 2.5. Whatever you get, everyone will differ with this one. Then draw the circle into 16 parts. No need to write figure. Cut all the 16 parts and arrange them to get the arrange them. No need to write. Arrange them together. Right? Arrange them to get together. Arrange them with the same color. Right? Arrange them with the arrange them with same same colored strips together. Then take any part from any side and further divide it into two parts. After this, okay, cut all. But after this, this line will be added with this one, not this one. This line is added with this one. And complete the shape and arrange them at the corners of the shape obtained in this. Find the length. This line is added in the with this line. To complete the shape of rectangle, arrange them smaller parts like this. No need to write figure number. Figure number, no need. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle to find the area of the rectangle. So these are the points. You have to write one point number one, point number two, point wise, point three, point four, point five. Five you will add this one, point six, and point seven. These seven are the procedure. Okay. After procedure, we have observation. Okay, understood procedure? After procedure, we have observation, but do not write this observation. The student will observe. No, no, we are observing. We will not observe. We are observing. So what we will write observation from simulator, because here you get the exact result. So from here, when you do this one, you will see your radius and whatever to get more than two, more than 2 centimeters. 0.38. So wherever we have written the procedure there, I think here is the first part, the radius. We will take radius here. Suppose I have taken 2.38. You will write 2.38 centimeters and other points as it is. Okay. Then do this one. Okay, therefore tracking should be perfect. Huh? Then this observation. In observation next will be observation. Next heading will be observation. In this observation, you will write this point number one, area of rectangle, point number two, point number three, till point number three, 1 to point number three. Yes, you have to paste. Cutting pasting is compulsory. Practicals are required. Right side you will cut and paste. I will come to that point. Wait. Then last is our result. Result area of circle that I got here by taking this radius. I got the radius area of circle. Whatever result here you will get. You will write 17. Here I got 17.79. 17.79 square centimeter. Okay. This is your writing part. Left side, if you have a one left side lining, right side plain paper, you will write these points. Master activity left side, aim, materials required, prerequisite. Then you can go to the next page, but always write on the left side. Right side you leave for practical. Then again left side, next page, left side, prerequisite, procedure, observation, result. And right page is 3. So on the right page, what will you do now? You have to make two circles. Okay, two circles and one circle. Then you will start making 16 parts. How will you make the 16 part? That is, you have to divide the circumference, this whole circumference. Find the circumference of that circle and divide by 16. Whatever length will come, you can take this one. So like that, you can divide into 16 parts, and then one line like this you can make. First, you divide into 4 parts. Exactly 4 parts you can divide. Then you can make between like this. So you will have to divide exactly same length. This length should be same 16 parts. Two circles, but you have to cut two circles. On both circles, you will draw the 16 parts and you will color the 16 parts on both the circles. One circle you will place like this, right and side. Okay. Another circle you will cut into 16 parts like this, and you will place 8 parts like this and 8 parts like this. Okay. But this part you have to cut before pasting. You do not paste this part, this last part. This last part, cut from here to here. You can cut from this part to this part. So before pasting one part, this you have to cut down. Okay. And this part, after cutting this part, you will paste this part this side. Then you get this figure. Figure like this you will get. Okay. If you are cutting this part, they have cut the right hand part. Any part you can cut. You cut this part and you will bring this part here, then the figure will be like this. So you have to make this figure. Choose one circle and one figure like this. Pasting is two types of pasting. One, you will paste a circle like this. Another, you will paste the part of the circle to make the rectangle. And in figure also you should write here, after pasting on the above you will write this is 2 pi r, not 2 pi r, this is not 2 pi r, 2 pi r by 2, so pi r, you can write directly pi r. So you can write this length is what, pi r, like this you can show, and here you can show radius r. Okay, so got it. So again listen, master activity number 1, aim you will write, then you will write what is required, prerequisite knowledge, procedure, observation, result. then you will cut two circles. You can take any radius. Here you can take any radius, because in simulation, if you have taken 2 points, so it is difficult to take 2 point something radius. If you can take same radius in inches, it's okay. Inches bigger than, suppose 2 inch or 3 inch or 4 inch. 3 inch up to 3, I think the maximum simulation is up to 3. So you can take 3 inch. If you are facing difficulty in making it that a small circle, so I think you can make the bigger circle. And two circles, same two circles. You put two papers and draw one circle, and put another paper below that paper and cut. You will get the same two circles. One circle you will paste as it is. Another circle you are not going to paste. You are cutting into 16 parts and then pasting like a rectangle. Array. One circle you will paste as it is, and you will show the 16 part. Another circle you will cut into 16 parts and paste like this. You have only two figures. This figure, pasting this figure, and pasting this figure. That's it. Got it? Okay. We can do it actually more, but this is enough, I think. We can do three circles. One circle is like this pasting, another pasting should be like this, cutting, and this. If you can do it, it's better. But these part is you can do these two at least. Otherwise, if you need, you can make three circles. One from one circle cut 16 parts and then paste like this. Another circle cut 16 parts, paste like this, and one more replica make like this, and you can cut and you can show. It is up to you, huh? But least part is you at least you should have these two pasting parts. Okay, got it? Any doubt now? Yes. Uh, Not in one page. It is not necessary in one page. If it is coming in one page, it's good. It's better if you are getting in one page. If you are not getting in one page, because this procedure that I told you, left side. This is our notebook is having left page and right page. Okay, practicals. Left and so left page here, writing here, always aim and everything, and pasting will be done on right page. Always in the practical, do not write on right page. Pasting will be done on the right page. Then suppose this page is filled and pasting you have done here. If it is, even it is completed, your pasting is completed in the first page. Even then, if you go to the next page, you will write this side and you will leave the right side page for pasting. Then for writing the next activity, you will go to the next page. Understood? Yes, math notebook. You have to make math notebook actually. If you have a problem, then you can make any other notebook. But if you have a math notebook, practical notebook, that is well and good. Okay, got it?